Hey Bailey, can you walk for us? Are you gonna move Kaisa out of the way? You're gonna make her get up and down for you? Say move, Kaisa. Move out of the way. Go sit down, Kaisa. Good girl. You turn it around and come the other way, Bailey? Poor Kaisa just is not in good spots, is she? Good girl, Kaisa. It's upside down, Bailey. You think you can still walk with it like that? Careful. Whoa, you got me now. Oh, we can't have the buck. Bailey, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Can you say that? Uh-oh. Bailey. Oops. Uh-oh. You gonna get your baby Kaisa? You're just gonna sit on her feet. What are you trying to do, Bailey? What are you trying to do? Oh, you suck? No, Kaisa, go on. Kaisa, go on. Do you need help? Okay, hold on. Let me help you. You get it all. Wait, let go. Let go. There we go. Hi. Oh, is that so much fun? Whoa. You gonna turn it around for us, Bailey? You're good at this, honey. Good job. Hey, hi.